What's up, you beautiful people? Your boy Benison Choi is back.
Hey guys, we are back with another challenge. This time, it's oodles of noodles.
Your boy's stoked. Noodles, I slurped them up.
I'm challenging Benison to basically a duel, and we're seeing who can go the longest. So this thing could go on forever.
Didn't really get to buy noodles, so I'm gonna go with what I had, which is the Shin Ramyun, baby.
Look at the amount of sodium in one of these. Ooh.
Nothing is more satisfying than the peel sound of a good ramen. Always shake. Always. Oh yeah. Give it a little blow. I can do this forever.
I love noodles.
Forever. Ooh. Look at that pad thai, that range of color, that purple, that orange, that white, that nut.
Just finished noodle lunch number 2 and feeling a little weird.
You guys, this is weird. I'm kind of feeling not good. My stomach, this pad thai was no good. We're gonna throw it out. I'm done. Hangari kalguksu, baby. Let's go. Kalguksu is the noodle of my people, but I just never have it. So I don't even know what it tastes like.
I am gonna make clam pasta.
Oh baby, oh no. I've just been scarfing this. This is delicious. How does anyone get tired of this?
Homemade seafood pasta.
I feel really wonky. Like my whole body is just noodles. But it's just day 2, like whatever.
I would walk 500 miles and I will walk 500 more just to eat more noodles, beef venison in the noodle challenge.
And look at these crystal noodles. Like what? It's so hard and weird and...
What is this?
Yo, check out this soup block. We got a block of soup here. Crystal noodles. I mean, look, we'll try it.
It's so hot.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just finished lunch. It was delicious, spicy, just the way I like it.
That looks really good, Maya.
That's also
Making a mess.
Oops. So I actually have time this morning to cook breakfast. So I'm gonna make fried salmon, which was one of my favorite things to eat growing up in Hawaii. Doesn't look like much, but it's delicious.
Day 3, it's breakfast, baby. We're going kimchi noodle soup. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Last meal, bamboo musubi. You don't know, look it up.
Bro, Maya's freaking out. They're open now. We're open, baby. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, damn. Look at this. It's a piece of art, baby. There's some mighty duck right here. You know what's the shittiest part about eating noodles with glasses? The fog, bro. I'm just always fogged up. Look at this. This is what it looks like when monsters eat noodles. Look at this. It's day 3. What happened?
I don't feel
You can't
good.
eat noodles anymore?
I don't feel good.
It's okay, babe.
I'm not losing.
Some people were meant for this.
I have a yummy bowl of semi-homemade chicken noodle soup. And then I'm gonna go to bed and pray that I feel better tomorrow.
I think I'm eating fish noodles, right? Like noodles with fish. I don't think I've ever had that in my life.
It's Bagel Friday.
Bagel Friday?
And I'm not allowed. This is mean.
Day 4, baby. Breakfast. We're going with that Nongshim bowl noodles. We made it, baby. It's lunchtime. Oh, let's go. This is probably the most amazing thing I've gotten so far.
Vietnamese sad desk lunch noodle edition. In the words of Benison, oh damn, that's a ton of food. Am I really supposed to be eating 5 pounds of food? Sriracha, sriracha, I love ya, sriracha. You're only a squeeze away.
Bro, what? All right, so here we go, noodle into the dipping sauce. Wow.
Had my noodle dinner with friends. Not so bad.
Just like,
Oh,
oh my god, it's so steamy.
get in there.
I don't care that much to see it.
I'm so proud. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Infinite days ahead.
I'm actually late to a volunteer event, so I'm running out. I did not have enough time to boil water and make ramen, so instead I'm using my handy dandy pusho snack.
It's like 4 o'clock and I'm between meals, so I'm gonna eat mac and cheese. Also because I'm hungover, and ain't nothing better when you're hungover.
Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Oh. Is that gross? Oh, I'm sorry, guys.
So I'm going to brunch with some friends after our workout, and I just looked at the menu and there's no noodles. Update. They have noodles on the kids menu.
I thought they had carbonara.
That's what I thought. Hey Maya.
We got some fish cake, baby. What you know about cake? Oh, baby, look at that bubble. Look at that noodle. Wow.
This ramen's not as good as it usually is.
Delicious. Pho Crystal, what you know? Pho Crystal. Woo. Look at this. Best hangover noodle right here. Pho, without a doubt.
I just did a workout class and was pouring like basically ramen broth out of my body. Like my sweat tasted straight up like ramen.
Cold buckwheat noodles. Check this out. Oh baby. Oh baby.
I am salted and takeouted out, so I'm cooking dinner tonight. If this was like a Yelp review, what would you say?
A plus.
Oh my god, he almost said A-. That would have been a big issue.
No, it's A plus.
Day 7 breakfast. Sakiyuka Sanukia soba. Soba noodles. Liquid soup. Very, very hot water. Dried flakes. It tastes funky. Footy.
Do you mind doing the flick of the day? Let's rock it. Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh. Going with the Namja ramen. Namja in Korean means man, means boy, means male, means beast, means benison. Whoa, this is kind of spicy.
Day 7 of Infinite Days. We're getting udon.
Yeah.
That's my vegetables for the day. Can we just ate udon? I might for real puke.
Oh no.
This is not good. I don't feel good.
I don't give up.
So I have to cook. Please don't make me.
Yo, it's absolutely freezing in Southern California, and I'm so excited to get some ramen right now. Oh man, dude, is that just layers on layers of meat goodness?
Maybe I'll just eat this. Don't feel very sweet. Is being MSG drunk a thing?
Day 7, dinner, breakfast, lunch, all of that done in the past. All I can see is the future, and it's bright, and it has a lot of noodles.
Breakfast for 45. Look at all these friends joining on the noodle challenge.
Soba.
The noodles came in the bag, bro. What the what?
Mac and cheese from this morning. Coming hot. Guys, I just had a mac and cheese fart in a meeting and everyone's really mad at me. Oh my god! This is delicious looking.
Very good. Pan-fried egg noodle with chicken, bro.
Doesn't have a crazy taste. It's like it's another mellow. Today's a mellow day.
Day dinner, really reducing down to the basics. Very simple. Very tasty.
I'm feeling exponentially more sicker than I did this morning, but we're getting some pho. Hopefully it'll warm my spirits up. I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep as I eat. I'm just like...
Day 9. More soup. I'm out of ideas of what to eat. I've eaten it. I've eaten it all.
We got some sesame flavor. We got an egg block. Don't really know what that means, but we're about to find out.
It is literally.
What is that?
Feel it. It feels like styrofoam. Don't do it.
Yo, Lily. Do you mind doing me a favor?
Yeah.
Vegan pad thai party. I'm craving pizza, which is ironic because during pizza, I crave noodles.
Choices are endless, bro. Look at this list. Boom, baby. Boom, baby.
Going to dinner at a proper Italian restaurant, and hopefully I'll have tasty Italian noodles.
We out here, we're about to get some pasta at Ugo. Some Italian persuasion up in this tummy and mouth. The pesto, bro. It's the besto, bro. This is the first time I'm feeling kind of like not so great about this whole noodle situation. But you know what? You gotta push on, baby.
Michael. Dude, you wanna do the slap the bag of the day?
Hell yeah, what do I do?
What?
Dude, the glasses, man.
Team lunch is here, and there's no noodles. Where? I don't think that counts. Got some bolognese from Milo and Olive. Like, it's just sad. It's really sad that this is what I have to do.
Bro, you know your homies are looking after you when you come to your desk and there's a bowl of ramen just waiting for you. Day 10 dinner, Italy.
Well known for whiskey.
Everyone got Mexican for lunch or dinner, and I got big fries, noodles. You're actually pretty good. From where? Mama Hams!
I haven't had breakfast yet, but it's noon, so I'm gonna have breakfast and lunch. Yeah, I don't know if I can eat more noodles, but I mean, like, gotta do it. I think Maya's having a hard time. We got the OG, small, college budget, trying to keep every dime, every penny cup noodle. I've missed you, my friend. I've missed you. I'm just getting really sick of like the sucking, dude.
I don't want to eat any more noodles. I don't want to eat Thai noodles, Vietnamese noodles, Italian noodles. And what the heck are you gonna eat? I don't know. I don't want to do it anymore.
Okay, is it true? Are you done?
I'm done.
I think I won. Good job, though.
By like 30 minutes.
The win is a win, baby. Let's go. I'm honored. I'm glad we made it this far. Maya, well done. Best, it's your boy, Troy Dynasty, baby.